Hello everyone, this is Amber with Paris SEO and we're talking about your WordPress website. And we're going to go ahead and talk about users right now. So let's go ahead and go to our dashboard. And you'll see along the side panel here, users. And we'll go ahead and click all users. And it's just going to display all the users you have on your website. I only have two. Okay, so let's edit mine. And these are the controls that you can edit for your users. You have this admin color scheme. It's just going to be how you want your dashboard to look. Do you want it to be a blue gradient or a gray? Really personal preference. And then we have the keyboard shortcuts. If you click here, it's going to discuss the keyboard shortcuts, and it's really a personal preference if you want to use these. If it might make things more simple for you, you can go ahead and read this page and see if that's something that you want to do. If you do, you just go ahead and click that. If not, leave it unchecked. Show the toolbar when viewing the site, and that's going to be this up here. And I do like the toolbar to show because I can always go ahead and go here to visit the site and get back easily to the dashboard through the same way. That's just the way I'm used to doing it. Okay, we have the name. My username is A.R. Patterson, and you see here usernames cannot be changed. So when you choose your username, be very careful that it's something that you want. First name, last name if you choose to have that, and then a nickname. Of course, you see here it's required. So then display name publicly as, whenever you come across the user, you have a choice. I can be my nickname, I can go by my first name, my last name, both. I don't know why I would do it this way, but I can if I want to. So I'm just going to go with Amber Finley like always. Contact info, my email, of course, is required. You can put your website here, a little bit of info about you. Here's where you can reset a password if you need to. Either a person could do this on their profile by themselves, or if you need to come in and manually reset someone's password, you can do it here. Okay? And of course, do not forget to update profile, or else everything that you change is going to get lost and you'll have to do it all over again. And we also need to talk about roles. And I'm an admin, so it's not going to be on my profile here. So let's go back to all users. And we'll go here. Well, actually what I mean is this is my website here, so I'm not going to have a choice to change my role. But here you see there's a role. And you drop down and you have these options. Now you can go right here on the WordPress website and review what those options are. Okay, you have a super admin, someone with access to the site network administration features and all other features. You have the administrator, someone who has access to all the administration features within a single site. Then you have the editor, someone who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users. Author, someone who can publish and manage their own posts. A contributor, somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. And then you have a subscriber, someone who can only manage their own profile. And then it goes more in detail about these roles, and you can go ahead and take a look at this website as well, just so you can go in more detail with the different roles that you can set for your users. Now, if you have anyone who's an administrator, I hope that you really trust that person because they're going to have the same access that you have to the website. So be sure to be very careful with who you allow that certain status on your website. And that's going to conclude the user portion of our WordPress tutorial. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I will see you later.